Oh, hey guys, sorry, I didn't know I started. So what we're doing today, let's see if I can click on this. Can I get rid of that? Go away. There we go. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to do two more properties on exponents. Yesterday you did, if you were multiplying exponents, you're really adding them. If you're dividing exponents, you're really subtracting. And if you have parentheses, today we're doing is parentheses in the zero product one. Yeah, okay. Please ignore the objective. I forgot to fix it. Actually, no, I think it's right. The other one was wrong. Whatever. Okay, so what we're doing is, again, we have exponents. It just means you're multiplying that number how many times it says. So again, if it said, we said 5 squared, it's 5 times 5 is 25. If I had 5 cubed, or 5 to the third power, it would be 5 times 5 times 5, which gives you 125. Okay? All right, exponents, what we have on top, baby number, your base is the big number on the bottom. Big base, get it. Okay, monomial, we're moving and grooving. Okay, so when we have parentheses, so again, let's talk about this. So when we're multiplying exponents, we added them yesterday. If we are dividing, thank you. If we are dividing exponents, we're really subtracting them. Whenever we have parentheses, what we're doing is distributing. It goes to each one. Okay, distribute, and over here. Oh, I want to hide those. So what we're doing is you're keeping your x the same. You're looking at the 4. We have the 2 on the outside. The 2 goes to each of the exponents. So the x is where it is, and you would do is 4 times 2, which gives you 8. Then you have is y is where it is. You have is 3 times 2, which gives you 6. Okay? Love it. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, moving on. See if I can fix it. Thanks. All right, well, you're seeing the answers. Okay. So one thing I do that's kind of different is that if I don't have an exponent, I put a 1 there. That's how I remember to make sure I multiply each one. Okay? So the 1 should be 3 to the first power, x to the first power. And again, I'm distributing to each one. So again, it'd be 3 to the third power, x to the third power, and then y to the third power. Good. I will accept this as the final answer. Now, a of exponents, you can actually plug in 3 times 3 times 3 into your calculator to get 27. The only way that you would simplify it even further. Okay, so over here we have 5 to the first, x to the second, and then I put y to the first. If you don't see anything, you put a 1 there. It's distributing to each one. So again, you have 5 to the third now. X to the sixth, and then y to the third. Love it. Okay, over here goes to each one. 6 times 2 gives you 12. 4 times 2 gives you 8, and 2 times 2 gives you 4. This is what you get. Okay, so now for this one, if you did is 5 cubed, it's 5 times 5 times 5. You can't do anything with your variables, you leave them alone. For this one, you can't simplify anymore because there is no actual whole numbers. You just leave them exactly what you did. Okay. Oh, snap. Fractions with now, that's evil. It's not that bad. Okay. So you have is 2 and you have 3. Again, I put the first power for each because they did not have an exponent. Now I'm just distributing to each one. So I get is 1 times 3 gives me 2. So I get to the second power. And I have is 3. The second power. This is what we get. It's beautiful. I'm just evaluating. 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, same thing over here. 4 times 4 times 4, 3 times 3 times 3. This is what we get. We're moving on. Okay, I think we're done with that one. Lovely. Oh, we're not. So long sometimes. Phone's going off. Probably one of you kids. Okay, so now let's get to the harder ones. Again, I have x over 3. I put a 1 and a 1 just because there is no exponent, so it's a placeholder. And distributing to each one. I have is 1 times 3 gives me 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. I have x to the third, and I have over 3 to the third. So I can evaluate it. So neat. I don't even know what that kid is. So I get is x to the third, 3 to the third. If you want to take it even further, you would do is 3 times 3 times 3, which gives you 27. What? Okay, God, popular today. All right, so this one, okay? So the first thing I would do is I would clean up the inside, okay? If I were to clean up, I wonder if I could write. Oh my God, it is so annoying. Okay, clean up the inside. I have -2 and I have 3. So -2 times 3 gives me, I can't write, gives me negative, oh, look at that, -6. Okay, then you remember you have 1 x and that's it, so just get regular x. And then you have is y squared, and then y to the 5th, which gives you y to the 7th, because we are multiplying them. Yay. Okay. My puppy's repositioning. Cutie. Okay, again, remember I still have the 3 on the outside. Woo! 1, 1, just because they weren't there before. And then you're distributing. So again, you have is 1 here times 3, which gives you 3. 1 times 3 gives you 3. And I get a 7 times 3, which gives you 27. So I think I'm here now. Great job, me. Okay. So now what we're doing is we can evaluate. The one thing we have to do is we have is, oh my God, people, stop it. We have is the -6 here. Okay. -6 raised to the 3rd power. You have to keep it in parentheses. Okay. So when you're doing it, you're doing is -6 times -6 times -6. Okay. And you get is negative 216. Again, these don't change, you leave them alone. I am really going over this. Okay, again, over here, now we have is fractions. I don't know why I said that so weird. Okay, I have is, I forgot to put the 1 here. I forgot to put the 1 here. Okay, so we're just distributing to each one. So, again, we get is, I think, 3 to the 4th. Oh, I forgot to put the 1 here too. Love it. Okay. Sorry. So you're just distributing to each one. So I get is 3 to the 4th. Plug into your calculator. You would do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. On the bottom, you're just doing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then d to the 4th stays exactly where it is, just because you can't do anything with it. This will be your new answer. Love it. All right. Over here again, I have is 1, and I have 1 here. All right, we're distributing to each one. So I get a to the 1 times 3 is 3, so I get a to the cubed. Over here is a negative, so again, we want to keep it in parentheses. So I'm doing is 1 times 3, I get 3. Okay, so we get then is over here, loveliness, we get this. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put 3. Dang. Look at me being a lazy Miss Daisy. Oh God, that's ugly looking. Please just remember that's a 3 there. Thank you. For this one right here, you have -10 times -10 times -10, which gives you -1,000. Great. All right, last one. And last one's my favorite. Oh, Lord, give me the strength. Okay, maybe I can, I'm blowing up. All right, so the 0 exponent. So 0 exponents, okay? So anything raised to the 0 power is 1. Done. That's it. Nothing too crazy about it, okay? So again, equivalent to 1. Love it. All right. So guess what? 6.7 raised to the 0 power is, you guessed it, 1. Correct. X to the 0 power is, oh my God, great job, everyone. 1. Great. Super fun. Okay. Oh my gosh, these look so difficult. Oh, be quiet. Okay. You have is this whole thing raised to the 0 power is 1. Great. Over here, this whole thing raised to the 0 power is still 1 because they're in parentheses. The whole thing's being raised to the 0 power. Okay, let's get to the tricky ones. Oh, snap. All right, we have 5. Y to the 0 power. Well, y to the 0 power is 1. Okay, but if you look, we still have the 5 on the outside. It's not in parentheses. So it's two separate things. So what you have to do is 5 times 1 now, which gives you 5. If you look at this, I wonder if I can do this crazy thing. Highlighter. Okay, maybe like a small one. If you look, this whole thing, oh, this is fun. Okay, this whole thing is being raised to 0 power. So that makes this just 1. Okay, we still have the 10 on the outside. So we're going to multiply it. 10 times 1 gives you 10. Oh, you can't really see them. Okay, guys, that's it. Awesome. Yep, great. So what you have to do is you are doing the worksheet you have is 6 problems to complete, and that's it. You can either print out the worksheet and take a picture of it and submit it, or you can just write the problems down and then complete it and then submit it. Either or, great. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.